Mastering future perfect passive will have been unleashed. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another video in our series on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into future perfect passive voice, specifically, how to use will have been. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's get started. Firstly, it's crucial to understand what future perfect passive is. This tense is used to express an action that will be completed at some point in the future, before another action or time. But what makes it passive is that the focus is not on who is doing the action, but on the action itself. For example, if we say, "The report will have been finished by tomorrow," it means that the completion of the report is expected before the time referenced, tomorrow, but we're not emphasizing who is finishing the report. Now, how do we form sentences using will have been? The structure is quite straightforward. Will have been plus past participle. The past participle is simply the third form of the verb, like done, written, seen, etc. Let's illustrate with an example. If we take the active voice sentence, John will have cleaned the house by 5 p.m., the passive voice equivalent would be, the house will have been cleaned by 5 p.m. Now let's practice together with some examples. Active, they will have read all the books by next month. Passive, all the books will have been read by next month. Active, the chef will have prepared the meal by the time guests arrive. Passive, the meal will have been prepared by the time guests arrive. Remember, the key to mastering this structure is consistent practice. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on forming the future perfect passive using will have been. Keep practicing these structures in your daily conversations and written exercises, and soon enough, you'll be a pro. We hope this video was helpful. Until next time, happy learning, and keep shining.